Hello everyone, welcome to Digitron Solution. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate the working demo of a project that is MRI images based brain tumor detection. The project is implemented using two algorithms, that is EM algorithm, that's expectation maximization algorithm, and the other algorithm is watershed algorithm. The project is implemented in MATLAB. Here we will be doing we will be first finding the brain tumor portion using EM algorithm, then finding the same brain tumor portion using watershed algorithm, then we will be combining both outputs and then finally predicting the complete tumor portion. Even there we have some truth images. Truth images means are those images which have been predicted by some MRI practitioners or the doctors who have predicted what is the actual portion of the tumor in an MRI image. So with this truth image we will be even finding the accuracy of our software or the project we have developed. So without wasting much time, let's see the working demo. So as the project is implemented in MATLAB, I have started the MATLAB. I am using MATLAB 2015. Any version from 2014 or higher might work for this project. This project also has an graphical user interface, so let's run. So I'll click on play button. I have opened MRI main page interface file. This is the interface of the project. So I have two sections, one is EM algorithm section and one more is watershed algorithm section, and the middle section is where I combine both results. So let's see. So I'll say browse image. I'll go to database. Yes, we can even browse JPEG images also, or even you can browse MRI images also. So I'll be browsing here MRI images with an extension that is .mha. I'll select it. Okay. So even the conversion from MHA to an image is done. So it took some time. Now I'll say grayscaling. Then I'll say trilateral filtering. We'll be applying some trilateral filtering mechanism, that is bilateral from plus an extra filter. This might take some time. So let's wait for that. Extracting features and performing some filtering on the MRI image. Yes, till then I'll show you my data set, what I have. These are the BRAT MRI images of brain which I got it from the net, and for these two images even truth images are available. That is the prediction done by the doctors. So we will be comparing with them. So let's see whether it is done. Okay, still it is performing some operation. Yeah, the speed all depends on your system also, means how powerful your system is. Right now on my system there are lot more things running, even the recorder is running, so this might take some time. Or else on a system it will be very quick. So let's wait. Okay, so filtering is done. Even it will provide you all the details, like what was the variation of the actual image, filtered image, what is the variation, what is the improvement factor, even standard deviation comparison, what is the improvement factor. So this is done. Then I'll say a normal level of second level of filtering, that is also done. Okay, then I'll say EM implementation. Okay, filtering done successfully. Next is EM implementation. You can see I applied the EM expectation maximization mechanism, and I have got the portion where I have the tumor section. Now I'll save this data. So I'll click on save, and the data, whatever portion was been detected, is been saved. Now same I'll do with watershed. I'll say browse image. I'll select the same image so that I can fuse them, fuse the output. Then I'll say trilateral filtering. Yes, even this filtering will take some time, so rather than waiting, I'll pause the video for a while and then I'll resume back. Yes, even the trilateral filtering is done now, and even it will show the improvement factor between the original image and filtered image with respect to variance and standard deviation. Next, I'll go one more extra level of filtering. Yes, filtering is done. This is the filter. Now I'll say thresholding. This is required in watershed. That is also done. Now I'll apply watershed implementation. So this is the result of watershed implementation, but it has gone to a higher level of segmentation. So we will perform some morphological processing like erosion, that is eroding, and dilation. So I'll apply that. Yes, you can see after applying morphological operation, it is able to detect only the tumor portion. Now if I click here, it will show in the original image what is the portion of the tumor. Okay, now I'll say save the data. The data has been saved. Now I have both data, a result from EM and result from your watershed. So I'll say combine both results, so I'll get a more accurate portion. Now I'll compare this portion. Yeah, even it is showing the tumor portion in a blue image. Now I'll combine this, or you can say I'll just compare this, the software detected tumor section, with the truth image. So I'll load a truth image. I'll click on this. Let's say hey, my system has become a bit slow. Let's wait for it. Yeah, okay, in the database, this is the truth image which is available in the net also. I'll say that truth image. Okay, this is the doctor predicted. Now let's see the accuracy analysis. And I click okay. So it is like when it is compared with the software and the truth image, the accuracy is 99.87%. So this is how the project is being implemented. I hope you understood the working and the development of the project. If you are interested in this project, you can go in the description section of this YouTube video and get further details, or you can buy it. For any other projects, you can visit our website. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.